Hi all, it is Nicola, and in this video again we will delve deeper into the zone lists. As you see, we go to our zones tab and click on set up list scheme. In this menu we will define the attributes that our zone list will use. We have already renamed the columns, use and define, custom, headers. As you can see, the attributes that we are going to include are marked with a tick. A word of caution, the basic and the basic zone list is utterly terrible. I can confess that, and you ought to delete it before duplicating any, because it is a big trap to do that. Now I duplicate room storage details list. It is quite functional, and I will add some attributes to it. Let's see. Yes, it seems we need more space for the first column. And the room name must be slightly to the right. Interestingly enough, it cuts the list in half. You see, there has to be the other part of the list, but it is cut. And this is the biggest flaw of zone lists created this way. You cannot control the format, the size, and so on. It just assumes a paper size of A4 and or letter, and just places a list. It's not scalable at all. Checking if the default list has the same problem. You notice it's not usable at all. It has ones and zeros like Boolean parameters, and it doesn't contain any information. In the case of rooms and stories list, the same thing has occurred. The list is cropped down and the information is not visible. Let's set up a new list scheme to try to fix the problem. Again, notice that the new name which I entered in the last column is not shown on the list. All in all, the procedure of creating lists this way is quite fishy. Let's see if we close some of the parameters. I expect the columns to be reduced. It has totally messed itself up. You can see the height column showing actually the parameters. the perimeter of the zone. And it also contains one or two empty columns. Let's see if updating will do some fixing. Yes, this is the original one, room stories zone list, and it's okay, but still it contains the empty column, which I want to avoid, and the names are in English. Let's duplicate it again to see if I've missed something, but I'm quite sure that not many options are assured in this menu. Let's overwrite one of the headers to see if any changes will occur in the list. And typing in both in Bulgarian and in English to see if that makes any difference. Yes, you can see that it doesn't accept any other languages except English or Latin. You can see that it simply omits the Bulgarian notes. Yes, no changes have occurred so far. From this menu we can include other parameters if we want, but I fear that whatever we do, it won't be showed properly. Adding zone number 1 will like a song, yes, but it won't change anything, I fear. This menu is completely not user-friendly, and I doubt that they will fix it anytime soon. As I expect the zone number 1 to show after zone number. But in all cases it will be just an empty column, because from the zone parameters you cannot modify the zone number attribute directly. You can see the empty column, right? And it just summed all of our zone areas for the story we specified. and all this. It's very strange that it's not editable. The headings, the zone page, the date, all these are unnecessary information. I would like to remove them, but it's not possible from this menu. So thanks for watching. This was our unsuccessful way to create zone lists by using the zone list menu. And in the next video I will show you the correct way to do it, and it's quite easy and fun to do. See you in the next video, and be inspired in your practice.